Hello there. It is a pleasure to have you here. This video is your opportunity to expand your vocabulary, develop your speaking skills, and build confidence with the English language. So listen very carefully to the spoken words to benefit as much as possible from this course. My name is Sarah, and I am here to help you learn the English language easily and effectively. Did you know it is scientifically approved that listening is the best and most effective way to develop your speaking skills? They say, listen more to speak better, and read more to write better. So if you need to improve your writing, you have to read more of the English texts. Also, repetition is very useful to add up more words to your vocabulary, because the more you repeat, the more you can remember. That's why you will notice that I repeat multiple words throughout this video. Let me know if you can tell which words are being repeated. Moreover, learning the perfect pronunciation of words can be through listening only. By listening to native speakers, you can learn how words are pronounced, as well as how sentences sound naturally. The perfect pronunciation of English words is an important goal for every learner, because sounding like native speakers gives you a boost of confidence in yourself. That's why it is very important for you to listen to the right pronunciations so you can speak better and reach your goal of the native-like accent. And why not reach a bigger goal of learning the different types of the English accents around the world? When you listen to different accents, different speeds, and the different ways people speak, you will develop the ability to understand real conversations, and you will be able to respond more easily in real-life situations. Another important benefit of listening is learning grammar more effectively. When you hear how grammar is used naturally in conversations, you will automatically understand it without learning the rules the hard way. Finally, I hope you understand the importance of listening in order to learn the English language easily and effectively. As I hope that this video was helpful and beneficial for you,